Hi, welcome to Trash Trek 2015. Our team was very excited to hear the theme this year and eager to help explore the ways in which we can help our community as well as our planet. After some research, we learned that there are a lot of issues plaguing people in the restaurant business, especially with regard to proper disposal of their waste. We then went out and interviewed owners of various restaurants. Unfortunately, we all heard a familiar thing. These establishments are not required by law to recycle, and it is all too expensive. One local pizza place did, however, recycle their cooking grease and received a credit for doing so. We then knew we were on the right track, and we just needed to find a place that was interested in improving and open to change.
Then our luck started to turn. Two of our team members went to a local Chick-fil-A and learned that this company has been on top of sustainability for a long time. They also recycle their cooking oil for profit. But their largest recycling projects come from collecting their foam cups and recycling them into other products. Chick-fil-A has a special place for their customers to dispose of their foam cups near their trash cans. The cups are collected separately because the company has a program where the cups are turned into useful items such as park benches, tables in the restaurant, and name tags for employees.
The owners of the Chick-fil-A that we visited were having a problem that a lot of people were not putting their cups in the correct container, and they were ending up in the dumpster instead of the recycling bin. We thought the foam cup program was a great idea, and we offered to help by creating a new and better way of collecting the cups. The owners stated that they were open to new ideas and eager to see what we could design. Now I'd like to present to you the new and improved Chick-fil-A Disposal Recycle Center.
The disposal areas that Chick-fil-A has currently are two similar round openings, one for foam cups and one for trash. We can see why people are confused about where to put their cups to be recycled. We modified the top to allow the customer or employee to have an area to sort their items. We did some research and learned that the plastic cups, lids, as well as the black containers along with their lids are all recyclable. We made another opening in the countertop and color-coded green. We also created green recycle symbols that can be placed on the containers that may be recycled together. The green symbol clearly stands out and helps even the youngest customers recycle. We made a new tray liner design so the customers can see the changes we're trying to make.
The main problem we are trying to fix is that the foam cups aren't being put in the correct area. We decided that this really needs to stand out more. We designed a cowl overlooking the disposal center. The red opening matches the design on the foam cups that lets people know where they go. Once the customer places their cup into the tube, they will be delighted to hear the cow acknowledge the recycling effort. This obvious will make people laugh and bring attention to it so other diners will recycle their cups. We also suggest placing a similar cow cup collector near the drive-through trash can. Many repeat customers still have their foam cups in their car and can recycle them before placing their next order.
As we look at our final product, notice that we have enhanced the foam cup recycling area. We increased the items that are being recycled, which cuts down on trash disposal, and have made it much easier for the consumer to determine how to properly dispose of their waste. We are currently researching the possibility of composting the paper containers that Chick-fil-A places some food items in. We have learned that the containers hold the fries and pieces of chicken may be able to be placed in a composter. We are still working on the research to see if the oils from the foods affect the process or land where it is being composted. If it turns out positive, we can simply modify the countertop by adding one more cutout of composting materials. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and please eat, drink, and recycle.
After showing the Chick-fil-A owners our presentation, they were very excited. They stated that in just 2 days prior, there was an owners meeting discussing the problems they were having with their foam cup recycling program. The company that is contracted to pick up the foam cups could not take what was collected because other items were being mixed in with the cups. The owners felt our design could cut down on that problem. They requested that we videotape another presentation because they are going to contact the home office in Atlanta, Georgia and send it to them.